Hi guys, it's a new week and this week we are going to discuss treasury bills in depth, so stay tuned.
Pesa iwe ni ganji Jenga Karume, Zuckerberg, Kuna na Copland, Jeff Bezos, David Oyedepo, po ganji.
Of course, welcome again. It's a new week, and of course, if it's Monday, you know it's all about the moolah. And today we're gonna discuss treasury bills. So, a few weeks earlier, we had discussed what treasury bills were, and we got a question some 2 weeks ago. The week before last week, we got this question too by someone called Samuel, and he was asking if we could be able to expound more on treasury bills and the process of applying, bidding, and all that. So before we get to even the process, I need us to just have a recap on what treasury bills are. And treasury bills is actually a zero coupon bond. So what we mean by a zero coupon bond is it's offered at a discount. It's not there's no percentage given as a profit, but it's offered as a discount. For example, a treasury bill for 100,000 is given at probably 92 shillings. So you pay 92 shillings, and on maturity you're given the full amount, which is 100,000. So ideally that's a treasury bill, and like we said, a treasury bill is a loan to the government. That's the easiest way to put it. It's a loan to the government. So ideally, for you to be able to trade in treasury bills, you need to have a CDS account with the Central Bank of Kenya. And having a CDS account with the Central Bank of Kenya means that you open an account with the central bank. This CDS account is usually termed as the virtual account number. So when you have this virtual account number from CBK, you can be able to trade in treasury bills and also in government bonds. So ideally, how do you get this virtual account number from CBK? And it's quite an easy process. You just go to CBK, any CBK branch in Kenya, and ask for a mandate card. So they'll give you a mandate card, then you sign that mandate card and you attach the normal KYC, which is a copy of your ID, a copy of your KRA PIN, and a bank statement. Once you attach that and fill the forms, opening an account should take around 10 to 14 days, ideally. Once the account is open after 10 to 14 days, which is like 2 weeks, you can be able to trade in treasury bills. And now, how do you trade? Unlike stocks or bonds, treasury bills are actually traded directly. You don't need to go through a stockbroker for you to trade in treasury bills. So ideally, there is what we call the Treasury Mobile Direct. So the Treasury Mobile Direct enables you to trade in treasury bills via your phone. Once you've gotten a virtual account number, then you can be able to do that. You can just dial star 866 hash, and you will be able to you'll be able to get a drop down where you can select which treasury bill you would want to bid. And there are 3 types of treasury bills. So one is the 90-day treasury bill, then there's the 6 months treasury bill, then there's the 1-year treasury bill. So these 3 types of treasury bills, once you dial *866#, you'll be able to choose which one and how much you want to put in. So ideally it's usually around 100,000. You can start with 100,000 as you go upwards. And bidding is usually done every week, once every week, and bidding ends on Wednesday by 12 noon. So ideally you have to bid before Wednesday by 12 noon, and if your bid is accepted, you will get an email to it and you will be able to buy a treasury bill. So ideally that's just it about treasury bills. I believe Samuel, we've been able to give you some little more insights on how to go about it. And ideally you don't really need to use your phone. If you can't use your phone, you can go down to any central bank branch and get a T-bill form. Then you sign that form and you submit the form. Then you will get an email, because when getting a virtual account, usually you sign an email indemnity. So an email indemnity allows you to transact via email. So they will send you an email just to confirm whether your bid has been accepted. So ideally that's it about treasury bills. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section, and of course feel free to share this video, like, subscribe,